Of all the storytelling tips out there, I recommend one above all others. Add more conflict. In this video, I'll explain why. What's up, storytellers? I'm Sherer, author of the Amazon top-selling time travel novel, TIMESLINGERS. If you want more storytelling tips just like this one, subscribe to this channel. Stories aren't interesting unless they have one key ingredient: conflict. What is conflict? Conflict occurs when a character struggles to achieve their goal or objective, especially if other characters have opposing goals and objectives. Luke Skywalker wants to turn Darth Vader to the light side. Vader wants to turn Luke to the dark side. Indiana Jones wants to keep the Ark of the Covenant away from the Nazis. Thanos wants to destroy half the population of the universe, and the Avengers want to prevent him from doing just that. The reason adding more conflict to your stories sits at the top of my list of storytelling tips is because people are drawn to conflict. Our brains are wired to want to understand why the conflict exists and how the conflict will be resolved. In my bag of storytelling tips, my number one tip is this: if you want to engage people and turn them into fans of your writing and your stories, add more conflict. I've used this technique in my time travel novel TIMESLINGERS, and I also used it in my supernatural steampunk western Death of a Bounty Hunter. In both cases, increasing conflict improved the story. How do you know if my storytelling tips, including this one, will apply to your story? Test it. If readers, listeners, or viewers are getting bored, add more conflict by giving characters opposing goals and objectives that force them to take opposing sides. To capitalize on my storytelling tips and generate more interest in your stories, add more conflict. If you like these storytelling tips, hit the like button for me. And if you want more storytelling tips just like this one, subscribe to this channel. Keep writing, keep grinding, and I'll see you on the next video.